Hey there, I'm Charlotte, the Gulf Coast Granny. It's almost midnight, and I'm out in my garden. This is a place where I come at night to unwind and to sit and listen to the insects and the frogs and get a little bit of peace before it's time to go to bed. So I thought I would take you on a little walk through the garden and show you my peaceful place. I'll start off at the pond. And I have quite a few spotlights and a torch to keep the mosquitoes away. Here's my porch swing, which is everybody knows is my spot, where I come out here and I swing when I listen to all of the sounds of the night. Got a spotlight on the tomatoes. There's the sunflower and okra bed. This has nothing in it anymore. It used to have corn. So the spotlight's really just spotlighting the container. These are my pepper plants. So I get a really good view of those when I'm sitting in my porch swing. There's the second raised bed, lit up. Right now, there's zipper peas growing in it. There's the tomato bed and the back bed with nothing in it. And a little garden sign that reminds me whose garden this really belongs to. I planted some zinnias in this bed, and they're starting to come up, if you can tell. Hopefully, it'll be full by fall. This bed over here is empty for now. It's just holding some spare 20-gallon grow beds in it. And over here are some sweet potatoes that I planted just to be able to give vines to the chickens. There's the trellis with the remnants of pole beans that need to be pulled out and replanted. I'm trying to grow some Armenian yard-long cucumbers back here on this trellis. The rose bed is a mess. I tried to plant some alyssum flowers in there and carpet the bottom of the bed with them. But they kind of overtook everything, and then the weeds started growing. So that'll have to be cleaned out. Still hasn't stopped the roses from blooming, though. And back there is the container bed. There's not a lot in it. There's some old dying tomato vines, some empty grow bags, but there's my majestic eggplant that just doesn't seem to want to give up this year. I've gotten tons of food off of it, and I'm very grateful for that. There's the bunnies in their house back there. You can probably see the glow of one of their eyes. And the chickens are in their roost. Occasionally, one makes a little bit of noise. Seems like they never fully go to sleep. And there's my view of my garden at night. And sometimes when I'm out here and the porch light automatically goes off, I imagine that I'm in a little woodland fairy garden. And just maybe, there will be some magic here tomorrow.